I'm gonna try to haul this up the stairs by myself. In case it helps anyone, I rewrapped the plastic around it. I'm kind of gripping it like a handle here. I'm gonna use that to try to pull it up the stairs. Well, that worked. It's in my kid's room. Now it's time to put that into that. Here it is. It's really comfortable. The corners are still a little bit down. I'm going to give them some time to regain their composure after being squashed in the bag for so long because I just took it out. Here's the firmness. It's soft but firm. Passes my test. This material is so soft. It reminds me of baby blankets that are so soft and cozy. He is going to love his new mattress.